Hello, Chef here. Today I'm cooking red lentil soup. I thought I would share with you and show you what I got going on here. Lots of things going on in this red lentil soup. Lots of ingredients and a few spices. So first step is going to be to dice an onion. We're going to do kind of a medium dice. And then we're going to be, to the red lentils, we're going to be adding a bunch of spices here. So I'll tell you what I got going on. Got some dried lemon, a little bit of cinnamon, some garlic, a little bit of cilantro, some coriander seed, and some smoked paprika. Important to release the flavors, and I'm going to show you a couple of tricks here. The first one is the coriander seed. You just want to smash it. You can use a mortar and pestle, but it's actually very easy to smash. I'm just going to use this container right here. Okay? Releases the flavor. Okay. That right there is good. Coriander's broken open, and the flavor's coming out. Get it back in the dish. Okay. Paprika. We're going to add this towards the end. Lemon, we're going to cook it, simmer it in the stock, let it cook. It's going to be just like fresh lemon. Garlic, a little bit of cinnamon, so follow along. Here we go. Okay, just like that. Okay, I've got a hot soup pot, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Onions go in. Garlic goes in, and we let it cook. When the onions start to get transparent, we start adding our spices. Coriander, paprika, cilantro, just a touch of cinnamon. A little bit, 1/8 teaspoon, and you let it cook. Oh, just like this. At this point, I'm adding my vegetable stock. I've got 4 cups of vegetable stock. As well as my dried lemon. And you let it cook. Okay, after this comes to a simmer, we're going to be adding our lentils. We just add them gradually like this. Give them a little stir. And we let these cook about 20 minutes. Having a super sharp knife allows you to cut vegetables like this carrot into a very fine, small, perfect cut. Here's a brunoise for you. Okay, every one of these pieces is very close to being identical. Looking good, nice little brunoise. The finished lentil soup, it's thickened naturally, looking really good. Okay, we're gonna serve like this, 2, 4, 6 ounces. And we're going to garnish with a little bit of the Brunoise carrots. Baby grated carrot. I suggest you peel your own carrots. Just a touch more paprika. As well as a little splash of truffle oil. Okay, the finished soup. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Try the recipe. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. End grain maple, really nice to chop on. End grain walnut, stunning look. Edge grain walnut, beautiful. Round tabletops, restaurants or dining. Edge grain, butcher blocks, all shapes and sizes. On sale, free shipping, no tax. Made in America, as seen on TV and used in all the hotels and restaurants. This is the real deal. End grain rock maple. Wow. Stunning butcher block, made to order and shipped direct to you. Free shipping, no tax, you'll love it.